And we're done. It's not the greatest. I had trouble with masking tape. I messed up, got tape over here, ended up using a model car brush and painting some paint back on it, but it's just a welding helmet. Then I clear coated it. Oversprayed this blue, didn't know it till I was outside in the sun, ready to clear coat, but I just figured it's a welding helmet. Of course, I had this frame out. I need to get a new one of these, and then masked over the plastic. But I've got an old helmet, had yellow and red, kind of like this. I call them scallops. There's probably 3 coats of clear up here on that. I set it out in the sun, and the sun's finally out today, and it's hot. When I brought the plastic in here about 10 minutes, brought this in, and the plastic felt hot, so it's dry. This is not plastic type paint, so I'm hoping the clear coat over there will kind of keep it from coming off, but it's just a welding helmet. I did not know what to do at the front, so I just came up with that. It's kind of done by spraying your blue, spray your light blue, and then spray your red, and then you kind of go back up and touch up when you mess up. But there you go. The sticker, it peeled off, so I put some Sharpie marker there. I don't mind showing the defects. Took the knob off, crammed some masking tape down around in the hole in the shaft so no clear gets in there. So I've cleared over that sticker too. There you go. Thanks for watching.